Hello kids, today we will learn number and different shape. Silver, violet, parrot green, sky blue, pink, orange. Shape, circle. Say with me, circle. Half circle. Say with me, half circle. Diamond shape. Say with me, diamond shape. Square. Say with me, square. Say with me, square. Pentagon. Say with me, pentagon. Say with me, pentagon. Star. Say with me, star. Say with me, star. Hexagon. Say with me, hexagon. Say with me, hexagon. Heart shape. Say with me, heart shape. Say with me, heart shape. Oval. Say with me, oval. Say with me, oval. Rectangle. Say with me, rectangle. Say with me, rectangle. Number 1. Say with me, 1. 2. Say with me, 2. 3. Say with me, 3. 4. Say with me, 4. 5. Say with me, 5. 6. Say with me, 6. 7. Say with me, 7. 8. Say with me, 8. 9. Say with me, 9. 10. Say with me, 10. 11. Say with me, 11. 12. Say with me, 12. 13. Say with me, 13. 14. Say with me, 14. 15. Say with me, 15. Subscribe for more videos.